Good day guys, if you're getting a blocked screen from Cloudflare while trying to load content in Tachimanga, it usually means the site flagged your connection as suspicious. So let us now fix it. Right, and now this takes us to the most common cause. So disable any VPN, proxy or private DNS you might be using. Cloudflare often blocks your shared IP addresses from VPN services. After turning it off, just reload the page. Then you can also try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. This gives you a new IP address which can remove the block instantly. Then you just go to your phone settings, open apps, find Tachimanga, and then go to storage. And then just tap on clear cache. This removes saved session data that may be triggering the block. Then some blocks are just temporary rate limits. If you refresh too many times, wait 10 to 30 minutes before trying again. Make sure you're using the latest version of the app as well. You can download it in the App Store. If you have any updates, just make sure to install them. Then also, as a last statement, avoid tools that claim to bypass the Cloudflare protection. These can break connections or risk your account or device security. This is how you fix this error. If you enjoyed, like and subscribe.